Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can access Roblox on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store, and then from over here go to search bar and type in Roblox. Then once you have searched it up, you have to wait for your result and tap on this little cloud icon, download icon, and just wait for this blue circle to complete. Once it's done, you will have the app downloaded and installed in your particular phone. You can simply go ahead and be able to find it out on your home section, likewise listed like other apps as well. You can see it's showing a loading. Once it's done, it will simply be appeared for us to be used, so you just have to patiently wait for a while for that matter. And then afterwards, once it's done being downloaded, tap on open, and here you go, you have access to your Roblox on your phone, and you can simply use it however you would prefer. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.